Welcome to notchpad.com. Today I'm going to show you the making process of this edible toy, small little toy from Japan. And this video is recorded in VR180, so you need to watch this in your VR headset to have a 3D effect. So let's go! Now we have finished the making process, so it's time for a little taste review. Taste. Okay, so first I'll taste each ingredient one by one to see how's the taste. Oh my god, the bread come jump into my Coke. The Coke tastes a bit like Coke, but you know Coca-Cola, the recipe is secret, so it's very hard to replicate. It's quite close, not bad. Let me try the bread. It actually tastes like bread. The texture is a bit like cake, but quite close to bread. Interesting. Okay, let me taste the cheese. Okay, the cheese it's merged with tomato, so I'm going to lick off the tomato first. The tomato sauce, not bad. The cheese tastes a bit like rubber. Doesn't really taste like cheese, but the texture is almost like cheese, like eating cheese. How about patty? Okay, the patty. Okay, the patty tastes like those Chinese vegetarian mock meat, that kind of bit flour. Tastes a bit like flour, but not bad if you force yourself to imagine. It's almost like meat patty. Okay, let me try the fries. Yeah, the thing while I'm making this fries, right, when I add in the water with the powder, I can smell the potato smell. This one really like fries. Not bad, interesting. So I'm going to test the burger as a whole. Does it really taste like burger? Now I feel like ordering McDonald's. Mac delivery. Hello McDonald's. Okay, the making process is the fun part. The eating process. I think I'm going for my McDonald's. Okay. So hope you enjoyed this video, and do remember to subscribe and like the video, and I will make more of this for you in VR. Okay, it's 3D. Wow.